Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be teaching you how to paint a quick and easy winter landscape or snowy landscape. Watch the video till the end because I will be teaching you how to draw these beautiful pines with both a brush and marker for beginners. Yeah, go get your brushes, some white paints, blue ink or some blue paints that you've got, a jar of water, a masking tape and a mixing palette. For this painting, I will be using wet on wet technique. And yeah, if you haven't checked out my 12 basic watercolor techniques for beginners, don't worry, you can find it in the description box below or you can just tap on the top card and do not miss it out. As of now, I'm going to leave you with the background music, but don't just sit and watch, go get your paints and brushes and paint along with me. Once after the paint gets dried, you can start painting the pines, but do not paint the pines if the paper or paint is still wet because that will lead you or you will be ended up with clumsy pines that we don't really need it here. A detailed video of how I paint these beautiful pines will be up on my YouTube channel very soon. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so I will be notified when I post the video. It is really hard to put the brush directly onto the paper to paint pines. So for beginners, I'm going to suggest you to use CD or DVD markers that you have at home and just draw a straight line and keep on adding tiny strokes at the top and just expand the wings or expand the leaflet at the bottom. And this tip is only for beginners, and beginners, once after you get expertized with drawing these pines with the marker pens, don't just stay there, you can just move on with the paintbrush itself. You can add more elements to your painting. I'm just going to add a tiny little house at the corner of the painting. Now let's create the snowfall. And for snowfall, I'm going to use splattering technique. And again, if you haven't checked out my 12 basic watercolor techniques, you must have to go and check it out today. You can also add a big silver moon to add more beauty to your painting. And at last, seal the uneven edges or some leak marks with a whitener or corrector pen. If you really enjoyed this video of how to paint quick and easy winter landscape or snowy landscape, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment and share. Happy painting! God bless you and bye-bye.